Hello, I would like to show you in the 5 holes ocarina how to hold the ocarina. Just before trying to play, it's very important to have the right position for holding well the ocarina. So the ocarina have 5 holes here and 1 here. So first things, it's very important to close well properly the holes. So you have to close the holes. I show you like this, not like this. You have to use this part, okay, like this. So you can try in all the holes. This one is very big, so you have to see if your finger close well the hole. Because with the meat of the finger, you can really close very well and then you can try to close all the 6 holes, the 5 up and 1 down, close well, and put your little finger, this one, just here. This is very important because this allows you to open all the holes without breaking your ocarina on the floor. I show you. So when I put the ocarina in the mouth, I can open all the holes. Ta-da! So what you can practice is to open and close the holes without you can play, but also without playing, to see if your finger come back properly on the 6 holes. Yeah. This is the first thing, but the second thing before trying to play is to find the right pressure. Because if I play my ocarina with a lot of holes closed, I go up. Nice. Ugly sound. Because I miss a little bit of pressure. So what can I do? I can see, opening all the holes, I can see where the pressure is right. A little bit more. We are very close. When I get the clear sound, this is my pressure for all the ocarina. So from the position all closed until the position all open is the same blow, the same pressure. Yes. So this was the really first video. I will put another one to show how to play the next time. See you. Bye. Waiting the next video. You can also see the video with the 3 holes ocarina to practice a little bit the consonant. Well, you will see on the 3 holes first lesson. Bye bye. See you next.